In contrast to a digital single-lens reflex camera, mirrorless cameras have no optical viewfinder or reflex mirror. And whether you are an inexperienced content creator or a professional videographer, a quality mirrorless camera will help you to fulfill your task and achieve your goals, as they are flexible and adaptable to a wide range of shooting styles. So to help you choose a mirrorless camera that suits your preferences, we have gathered together a list of the top 10 best mirrorless cameras that can provide you with pro-grade results in each shot. So without any further ado, let's get started.
Here at Top 10 Zone, we are a bunch of product researchers and testers. We test, analyze, and research new products and create a list of top 10 best products based on price, quality, feature, and user feedback. We also provide upcoming and innovative products ideas so that viewers may know about new products. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best decision.
Carrying on the legacy and building on the strong performance of the previous iteration, the Canon EOS M50 Mark II is a surprisingly compact mirrorless camera with some notable improvements for content creators. It rocks a 24.1 megapixel CMOS sensor that can capture high-resolution images and 4K videos. Plus, it utilizes the sensor to shoot images and videos with detailed results even at low light. The Digic 8 image processor aids in improving autofocus performance and ensures that your photos and videos look sharp and detailed with minimal noise or grain. Other than 24p 4K videos, you can also shoot high-definition slow-motion videos at a buttery smooth 120 frames per second. Besides, the vari-angle touchscreen LCD is convenient for vlogging and various other compositions, as you can extensively adjust it to shoot from virtually any angle. All things considered, the Canon EOS M50 Mark II is a great compact mirrorless camera that you can quite easily carry around to capture life's beautiful moments. Explore and capture more of the world around you with the Sony ZV-E10, a mirrorless camera that will be your ideal vlogging partner. Its impressive captures are the result of a large APS-C sized image sensor that can record 4K videos and retain all the natural color and contrast. The image stabilization system allows you to shoot smooth, clean video even when you're walking. And the battery provides up to 125 minutes of continuous shooting so that you can comfortably shoot long sessions outdoors. It doesn't have any complicated manual adjustments, and switching to this camera's various features from quick autofocus, capturing slow-mo videos, and accurate bokeh effect is easily accessible. Furthermore, it will capture your skin tone while maintaining its natural look. Plus, there is also a soft skin effect to smooth your skin's appearance. So if you are a creative vlogger who aspires to get an artistic look in your captures, then the Sony ZV-E10 is the one for you. Packing a wealth of capabilities inside a compact design, the Olympus OMD EM5 Mark III is a mirrorless camera with an abundance of features for every kind of vlogger. Conspiring a 20.4 megapixel MOS sensor and a true PIC 8 image processor, the EM5 Mark III offers quick continuous shooting up to 30 fps along with DCI and UHD 4K video recording. The processor and sensor combination offers a sensitivity range of up to ISO 25600, while its sophisticated 5-axis image stabilization system compensates for up to 6.5 stops of camera shake. EM5 Mark III is also weather sealed so that you can use it worry-free in trying weather conditions. And its LCD touchscreen sports a vari-angle design, allowing you to shoot from different angles. In conclusion, if you're someone who travels a lot and is after a do-it-all travel camera, the Olympus OMD EM5 Mark III will not disappoint. Packed with the most innovative technologies in a classic body, the Fujifilm X-T30 is powerful and compact enough to be an excellent value for money. This mirrorless camera comes with a 26-megapixel APS-C CMOS 4 image sensor for capturing crisp, high-resolution videos. It offers the ability to record 4K video at 30 frames per second or capture 120 frames per second at 1080p to create super slow motion effects. For the best creative capture, you can quickly switch between manual and fully automatic shooting modes, adjust ISO, and shoot even in low lights. All in all, the Fujifilm X-T30 is highly recommended if you are looking for a high-quality camera at a reasonable price. Delivering exactly what you need to capture any situation you encounter, the Sony Alpha 6600 is a flagship APS-C camera that will surely satisfy your imagination. The 24.2 megapixel TED APS-C image sensor is optimized for highly efficient light collection, a wide sensitivity range, and low noise performance even at high ISO settings. It has a persistent and reliable 4D autofocus that accurately keeps track of the subject no matter how fast it is moving. This camera's tracking system relies on unique AI-based subject recognition algorithms that process facial information at high speed for smooth tracking. Its 5-axis optical image stabilization detects and compensates for camera shake, allowing you to capture steady shots without any hassle. So if you are currently in search of a mirrorless camera with exceptional subject tracking, then you can't go wrong with the Sony Alpha 6600. A pocketable powerhouse of a camera, the Panasonic Lumix GX850 manages to squeeze out outstanding level of performance in a budget-friendly price range. This camera comes with a retractable Lumix G lens with a 16.84 megapixel live MOS sensor that can capture sharp images at sensitivities up to ISO 25600 and record UHD 4K video at 30 FPS. Beyond this, the GX850 is also a member of the Macro Four Thirds system, which allows it to work with a wide range of interchangeable lenses. For accelerated autofocus performance, DFD technology is employed to quickly calculate the distance to subjects and adjust the focusing position for continuous shooting. And with a 3-inch 180-degree tilting touchscreen monitor, this camera is perfect for selfies and even vlogging. Taking all things into consideration, the Panasonic Lumix GX850 will definitely be a great buy in terms of value for money. Improved processing, greater pixel sense, but familiar in design. The Nikon Z7 II has the largest megapixel count and takes everything great from the original and ups its capabilities even more. Sporting a high-resolution 45.7 megapixel FX format BSI CMOS sensor and dual X-Speed 6 image processors, this camera is clearly aimed at the detail-obsessed photographers. It allows you to shoot videos in 4K at a buttery smooth 60 frames per second, while its 5-axis in-body vibration reduction helps to reduce the appearance of camera shake with any mounted lens. Furthermore, located on the sensor is an array of face detection autofocus points covering 90% of the image area both horizontally and vertically, providing fast and accurate focusing for both stills and videos. Other than that, it's a high-res OLED electronic viewfinder and rear 3.2-inch tilting touchscreen LCD lent versatility to image composition and playback. Overall, the Nikon Z7 II is a full-frame mirrorless camera that offers everything to satisfy those who sweat every detail. A top-of-the-line cinema camera with optimized video, sensitivity, and speed. The Sony Alpha A7S III raises the bar for what a full-frame mirrorless camera is capable of. It features a revised 12.1 megapixel Exmor-R BSI CMOS sensor and an updated Bionz XR image processor that offer faster performance, improved noise reduction, and a wider dynamic range. With a resolution and depth of field only possible from a full-frame sensor, you can record videos in 4K at 120 fps and the results are spectacular. The updated sensor also brings improved autofocus performance via 759 phase detection points, which offer intelligent subject tracking and real-time IAF to ensure critical focus on moving subjects. A highly accurate image stabilization unit and gyro sensor are provided, delivering 5-axis optical image stabilization so that you can confidently capture the shot. So if you want fast and dependable autofocusing along with strong image stabilization, then you should go for the Sony Alpha A7S III. Now get introduced to the little brother of the R5, the Canon EOS R6, which is a versatile mirrorless camera that will meet all your photo and video requirements at an affordable price tag. This full-frame mirrorless camera revolves around a refined 20 megapixel CMOS sensor and Digic X processor that will allow you to shoot 4K videos at 60 fps. It supports 5-axis in-body image stabilization that will help you take steady shots when working in low light conditions. The R6 also provides robust focusing performance thanks to dual pixel CMOS AF, which offers quick, smooth, and intelligent focusing using 1053 selectable points that cover the entire field of view. Complementing the imaging capabilities, it features a bright and detailed 0.5-inch electronic viewfinder and a rear touchscreen LCD with a vari-angle design to accommodate working from high or low angles. In a nutshell, the Canon EOS R6 is a highly capable mirrorless camera that is designed to meet the requirements of both photographers and videographers alike. Boasting a compact design, yet a big feature set, the Fujifilm X-S10 is a sleek and versatile mirrorless camera with outstanding color reproduction as well as suited for all your content creation needs. Featuring the APS-C size 26.1 megapixel X-Trans CMOS 4 sensor, the X-S10 supports high-resolution still shooting and UHD video recording at 30 fps. The sensor's design also has an expanded phase detection autofocus system that delivers faster, more accurate focusing performance in a variety of lighting conditions. Its built-in 5-axis sensor shift image stabilization helps to minimize the appearance of camera shake by up to 5 stops. Moreover, it is equipped with an OLED electronic viewfinder and a vari-angle LCD touchscreen for intuitive shooting angles and playback. Overall, the Fujifilm X-S10 is truly a spectacular mirrorless camera that will help you prosper in your photography career. So that was our list of the top 10 best mirrorless cameras just for you. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.